Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm going to be packing for my trip to Turks and Caicos. We leave tomorrow. I think our flight's at like 6:30 or something. I thought I would start the vlog this morning before I head to work because I was going to do just a few things to get myself ready to pack and stuff like that. So this will kind of be like a pack with me vlog. I put some stuff aside on Monday night and like tried outfits on and stuff like that. So I think tonight will just consist of getting everything in the bag and kind of like organizing it, trying not to take too much because I always take too much stuff. But I think I'm going to make the bed because we didn't do that this morning, and I'm gonna do that before I leave for work, so when I come home I can just put my suitcase on top of the bed and get started. So the room, honestly, I'm really embarrassed. It looks really bad because we've been like packing throughout the week to get started. So I have like a huge pile with like my suitcase over here that I really don't want to show you guys. So I'm gonna make the bed. Will has all of his stuff kind of like laid out right there and over there. This is kind of the mess I have going on over here. It's really embarrassing. Okay, so finished making the bed. It now looks like this. I always put this on because it is white bedding and we have a dog, so this kind of just helps protect it. Okay, so this is my suitcase and this is kind of the random stuff that I have in it. I have like some comfortable clothes that I always pack like tons of. I have this straw beach bag that I actually just got because I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I don't really like the beach bag that I have now. It's just a free one I got from Victoria's Secret. So love this bag, and it's so cute, and it has a nice like liner in the middle. I got this off of Amazon though, so I will link it in the description box below if anyone's interested. I also got this bag off of Amazon. I've been wanting like one of these as well. Comes with like this detachable pom-pom, but I actually love it on the bag. And then when you open it, it has like this nice floral lining. So I'll link this one as well. I think it's just perfect for when you go on trips like this because you can add this bag to any outfit and they always match. I have all of my sunscreen already in here in this little beach bag. I think this is Victoria's Secret as well. Probably another free item. I just always have it in here so I can always just throw it in my bag and it's ready to go. I have, oh no, these got kind of bent. I have these shoes that I just got. I believe they're from Macy's. I can link these too. They're really comfortable and they had wide. My feet are very wide, so it's very hard for me to find like sandals that actually fit. So these are also perfect because they'll go with all of my outfits that I have lined up here. I literally have just like picked all of them out. All of them kind of like are the same color scheme except for this black jumpsuit. But this dress Will's mom got me a couple weeks ago, and then this one I think is from Shopo or Boohoo, I can't remember, and then this is from Shopo. So, oh, and this is Target. And then this is some random shop in St. Michael's from the Bay House that we go to. I have this romper that I just got from Target as well. I love Target, can you tell? And it just kind of has this tie detail, and it does have a liner on the inside, which I appreciate. So it's a little bit thicker, but it is strapless. I haven't packed any of my toiletries, and this is all kind of just laying in there. I do plan on using my packing cubes because those are super nice. And I do have like some stuff here. I think I'm filming a separate video of like my travel essentials and what's in my carry-on. And then yeah, I think that's it for now. I'm going to leave for work so I can go stop at Starbucks, and I will see you guys, or you'll see me in like what's like 5 seconds, but like 9 hours for me. So I'm gonna head to work. Hey guys, so I just got home from work. I had to say goodbye to this one. My boyfriend's on his way home to take her to the kennel. And I don't want to say bye. Look at her. Hi. Thank you. Say hello. You look so bad. Really? I think she's saying she doesn't want to go to the kennel. I've been snacking on popcorn because I didn't pack much for lunch, but I just finished my last bag. The Skinny Pop, sea salt, my favorite. Some on a plate. That's what I've been eating. Mika loves it too. You want some popcorn? Sit. Good girl. Whoops, I dropped it. That was my bad. And I made myself a matcha. So good. I don't think I've talked about it in my vlogs yet, so I'll just show you. I've been using these matcha things. They're just like single packets, and then I add a little bit of French vanilla flavoring, like syrup, and it's so good. It tastes just like the one that I get at Starbucks. I need to work more on packing, and I think I said this morning that I was going to film a travel essentials video, so I need to do that too. Hi.
And
say hi to the vlog.
hello,
ow,
everybody.
Mika.
Oh, Mika, careful.
Say hi.
Hi.
I have to hold the camera so high up.
I'm trying to hold her. I'm Mika.
I can't believe we have to say goodbye.
I know. Are you gonna say goodbyes now? Because I'm gonna leave any minute.
I hate saying bye to my dog.
Oh my gosh, guess what I get to see when I go? Caicos.
Oh, because he's there.
Yeah. Alright. Do you want Dragon? Do you want Mr. Taco? Do you want Bunny? Do you want Mr. Sloth?
Sloth.
Sloth. Or the Croc? Take.
The last one.
She wants...
Oh, we're letting her pick which toy she can take with her to the kennel.
You gotta take one! Take a toy!
I don't know, she keeps going to the sloth. The sloth?
Yeah, she wants
Oh.
Alright, Mr. Sloth.
Okay. Hey guys, so I just said goodbye to my dog. I think I'm going to turn on this playlist. It's the Drive With Me by Kylie Anastasi. Yeah, Kylie Anastasi. I think that's how you say her last name. I'm not entirely sure. But I was just watching her Drive With Me video earlier, and I asked her if there was a playlist for it because all of the songs gave me all the feels. So she responded and said, yeah, it's on my Spotify. So now I'm gonna listen to it on the speaker, pack, and I have a video I wanna upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna do that and clean this apartment, start some laundry. I need to film the travel essentials. I keep saying that because I need to do it. But I think while Will is away with the dog, taking her to the kennel, I'm gonna film it then. A little behind the scenes of the video that I just filmed. My little backpack. All the stuff on this counter. My tripod. And then I had to close the blinds because it was way too bright. This thing is the worst on my hands. But, oh wow, the sky is so blue today. Done filming that video, which is good. I've been really on top of my editing game lately. I've posted a lot of videos lately and it's just making me so happy. I texted my boyfriend today because I was just so happy that I've been focusing a lot more on YouTube and I've been posting more and I've been keeping up with it and editing, and it makes me happy to work on this stuff. And I don't think I've ever talked about that before, but I love doing YouTube. Even though it's like, I literally have like, what, 10 subscribers? That doesn't mean anything to me. I just truly love doing it, and it's like one of my hobbies at this point. Yeah, I love it and it makes me happy, so I'm gonna continue to do it. And I have this awesome camera, so why would I not? Anyways, it is 5:15, so I think I'm going to clean up this mess I just made. Okay guys, so a little bit of an update. Since we last talked, it's 5:40 and I've cleaned up the room a little bit, put my laundry away, that was done, and I cleaned up the living room a little bit. I put all the stuff away from filming, so that's good. I've just been watching Gretchen's latest video and I did find my packing cubes. So that's exciting. No update yet on my packing situation. Just can't decide on some of the things that I want to pack. What's this? Oh, that's so cute. He got me flowers for Valentine's Day whenever we were in the Cayman Islands, and I guess I kept this. Oh, okay. Love you so much, Kylie. Happy Valentine's Day. That's so cute. Okay, maybe I will keep it. I'm such a hoarder. I did want to mention that I got these razors and I've never tried them before. They're the Bic Soleil Balance and they have like the moisture bars on them. I thought maybe instead of buying a mini shaving cream, I would try these. They only come with 2 in a pack and they're pretty expensive. I think they're like $5, but what razors aren't expensive? I think I'm gonna start rolling things up into the packing cubes and then reevaluate from there. Okay, so it is 6:30 and Will just told me that he's almost home, so I'm going to go get us Chipotle for dinner. And I've made a little bit of progress. Did pack all of my swimsuits into this packing cube. I started packing like my casual outfit right there, but I have these two and I think I'm only gonna bring this one. And I still have that huge pile of all of my comfort clothes, and then I picked out my pajamas over here. I still can't decide which sweatshirt to bring. This one is like my favorite, but this one is like a blanket and super comfortable. I'll figure this out whenever I figure out what I'm wearing tomorrow on the plane. These are all my toiletries I'm taking. This is all my makeup, which is actually pretty good, not too much. And then I have my makeup brushes, my makeup palette of choice, which this one is amazing. It literally has everything except for bronzer, and it has this nice mirror. Hey, but yeah, this is my favorite palette. Especially good for summer. And then, sorry that this like counter is really gross. I have just like all of my travel size things in here. I have setting spray, face wash, face serum, ultra repair berry air cream, makeup remover, leave-in conditioner / heat protectant, flossers, Q-tips, razor. I need to go grab those other 2 razors. Good thing I'm doing this, I almost forgot. Dry shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, and then deodorant. So all the essentials. I think I'm going to go get dinner and then come back and focus on this. Okay guys, so it's way later now and I just showered, as you can probably already tell, and part of packing for me is showering and just getting ready the night before. So I've done that. I did my skincare for the night. I've been charging my Apple Watch and it is at 99%, so it's almost done charging. I currently need to look for my jewelry that I'm packing because I haven't done that yet, but this is the suitcase situation. This is my outfit with my sweatshirt for tomorrow. Lululemon Fast and Freeze, and I haven't decided what sports bra yet, but I'm also bringing my Ariana Grande sweatshirt. I decided on that one, and these are just extra bags. We have my swim stuff, my nice clothes, and my comfy, casual, cute clothes, and my purse. I think I'm gonna put something in there just to maximize space. I might actually put something different there, I don't know yet. Over here we have my pajamas and my bras and underwear and socks. I need to pack a few more socks. And then over here we have my shoes. I didn't zip it up so you could just see that they're in there. I love this bag for that purpose because shoes get dirty obviously, and I want to protect all my clothes as much as possible. We have my beach bag and my sunscreen and stuff. So I have a little bit more to do. I had this pouch that had like my jewelry in it, but I don't know, I'm not like 100% certain where it is. I thought it was in the bathroom somewhere. Okay, so update. I didn't find my jewelry. I think I left it at my dad's house when we were visiting last weekend, so I'm gonna have to double check, see if my brother will check on that for me. If it's not there, then I really don't know where it is, and that might be a bigger issue. But it's like 10 o'clock right now and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna wake up around like 4:15, 4:20 and wash my face, get dressed, and get out the door. I'm going to sign off now, and I think I'm gonna end this packing vlog because tomorrow will be my travel video. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!